Why monocalcium phosphate is applied in bakery? Monocalcium phosphate, or MCP, is a versatile chemical compound that serves various functions in the food industry. It is pivotal in making baked goods rise and develop a desirable texture. Monocalcium phosphate is utilized as a leavening agent in baking due to its controlled gas release properties. It gradually releases carbon dioxide gas when combined with baking soda and exposed to moisture and heat. This controlled release ensures even rising, preventing baked goods from collapsing. The balanced pH from monocalcium phosphate contributes to proper gluten development, fermentation, and flavor enhancement. Its adaptability makes it suitable for various recipes, from delicate cakes to sturdy bread. And its flavor neutrality ensures the preservation of the original taste. The controlled gas release by monocalcium phosphate helps maintain consistency in baking results. Baked goods prepared with monocalcium phosphate as a leavening agent tend to have uniform texture and volume, which is crucial for appearance and taste. Monocalcium phosphate is often included in baking powders, which are convenient pre-mixed leavening agents. This simplifies the baking process for home bakers and professionals, ensuring accurate and predictable results. Additionally, the stability it imparts to doughs and batters extends the shelf life of baked goods with its ability to create precise gas levels over time. Monocalcium phosphate plays a crucial role in achieving the desired texture, volume, and overall quality of a wide array of baked products.